Error often occurs when numbers are formatted as text, leading to problems in calculation and data analysis. So if you take a look at my screen, we're having an error. You can see that it's giving me the sign. And if I click on it, it says the number in this cell is formatted as text or preceded by an apostrophe. So how do we regularize this? These are common errors that can come up when you're working on a project or job. Now, most of you might want to go about it this way. You highlight your text and you come to your home menu and you come to this number format and you try to change it to number. This might not work all the time, but I'm going to show you a fast trick and a fast way to get this done without breaking a bone. So the first step is for you to highlight the entire data set containing that error. Come over to your data menu. In your data menu, look for the data tools section at your right. Click the text to column. Once you click the text column, do not change anything. I repeat, do not change anything. Just keep clicking next and then finish. And here you have it. That error is gone for good. Now you can choose to reduce the decimal place and there you have it. So since this is a sales figure of products you probably purchased, you can decide to add a currency to make it unique. So remember, in my previous video, we said to add currency, you have to right click, come to format cells, and under the category, click on currency. I choose this currency and I'll click on OK. And there we have it. The data set is now clean and perfect, just the way you like it. So, thank you for watching. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on data analysis.